Hello everyone, my name is Madam Lucy Francis, the HOD Biomedical Engineering Department, and I have my student and my colleague trainer. We are going to do technical drawing in different levels.
Hello, I'm India from the Department of Medical Engineering at Twitter. Today we want to do technical drawing. In this other side, we are drawing orthographic projections. In the drawing, we normally have plan view, side view, and front view. So, in our drawing over here, this is the drawing that we will focus on. And we are starting with the top view or the plan view. Then we will make our front view over here, then our side view in the other side. Let's go and see what will come out.
So these are our year 1 students, new in the technical drawing class. They will start with the biomedical engineering workshop layout. It is the one they are drawing. This is a sketch. Then
Okay, let's finish up drawing this banner, then you will get to see the final outcome of the drawing.